Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the cheapest and easiest way to set up your Raspberry Pi 2B using Raspbian, which is an operating system made especially for the Raspberry Pi. The things I use to start using my Raspberry Pi are a microSD card of at least 4 GB. Keep in mind that this is a tutorial for the Raspberry Pi 2B, and other versions of the Pi might need a regular SD card. A cheap microSD to USB adapter. An internet connection. An Ethernet cable for your internet connection. If you have Wi-Fi, you can also use a USB Wi-Fi dongle, but keep in mind this means you only have 3 available USB ports when connected to the internet. A USB mouse and keyboard. A HDMI screen and cable. A 5V DC 2.1 amps power supply. Yours should be at least 1.2 amps, but you may want to get a 2.5 amps power supply if you want to use all 4 USB ports. And a micro USB cable, the cable most smartphones apart from Apple have. The first thing you're going to do is to download Noobs, the first link in the description. Depending on whether or not you're planning on connecting your Pi to the internet, you'll have to choose between Noobs and Noobs Lite. I chose Noobs Lite because I have an internet connection on my Raspberry Pi. Download the zip file. When the download is completed, put the zip file on your desktop. Now, click on the second link in the description, which will send you to the website where you can download SD Formatter. My computer is running Windows. Scroll down, accept the license agreement, and download the installer. Install SD Formatter. When you've done that, insert your microSD card in your computer and start SD Formatter. It is very important that you select the drive of your microSD card, because formatting your drive will also delete everything on it. Click on Format and wait for the formatter to finish formatting your microSD card. I won't do this right now because I've already done this. Remove the microSD card from your computer and put it in your Raspberry Pi. Next, plug in your USB mouse and keyboard into the Raspberry Pi. Connect the HDMI cable to your monitor and the Raspberry Pi. Make sure your screen is turned on and the right input is selected. Connect the Ethernet cable to the Raspberry Pi. Finally, put the micro USB cable and power supply, connect the other end to the Raspberry Pi and watch the screen. Your screen should look somewhat like this. Select Raspbian, click on Install, and let Noobs automatically download the latest version of Raspbian. This might take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. The file itself should be around 3 GB. When Raspbian has been downloaded, you'll see some code. Wait a few seconds and you'll be greeted by the desktop of Raspbian. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like if you liked it, leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye!